Today, surf and turf. Forklift D.
Forklift D.
Do it all around here. Leadership 101.
Coop, what do we got going on?
Cleaning up the shop.
Cleaning up the shop?
Yep. Doing some moving too.
Doing some moving?
Yes, sir.
You're gonna be on YouTube, man. Are you ready?
Yeah, I guess so.
You guess so? You're like, kind of what choice do I have?
I don't have a choice now.
Right? Chuck.
Yes, can I help you?
How are you?
I'm great, man. God, I can't wait to get all this moving done.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
Is it weighing pretty heavy on you?
No.
You're not stressed, are you?
No.
Oh, good. I was worried about you.
No, buddy.
Stress is bad for your health.
Yes, it is.
We need you in tip-top shape.
All right, I am, buddy. I'm ready.
All right, so what are we cooking today? What'd you get? Oh yeah, boy, these look good. We got some KC strips here. Are these prime, you said?
Yes, they are. Corn-fed Nebraska Prime.
So we're gonna season these with cow cover, SPG. We're gonna cook them indirect till these hit about, I'm gonna call it at about 94. I'm gonna do 94, because I'm gonna leave it. This was not a good idea.
We're moving today.
Moving and shooting a video at the same time.
Look at this place. Look at this place.
Look at Chuck, he's trying to look busy. So we're gonna run them to about 94 because I want to get some nice hashtags hash marks on them. Then we're gonna do some shrimp in our cast iron. We're gonna be cooking them in a little bit of Kerry Gold herb butter. They're gonna be good. When we're done, we're gonna pull them out. We're gonna toss them in a little cinnamon pepper wing dust, place them on top of the steak. Oh, this is gonna be so good, so good. Stick around, don't go nowhere. All right, you ready?
Yeah. You say you know how to cook these, Chuck?
Yeah, buddy.
Oh no.
That's how you tell if they're tender or not.
Trick of the trade.
So what are we looking at? A medium or a well done?
Chuck said he could help out cooking these steaks.
Yeah, we're not gonna do that.
He said, "Oh, these are New York strips. I can cook those."
I'm sure he can.
I said to 165.
265.
265.
What temp we at?
Error 4. Uh-oh. Error 4. So let's have a little class here. Error 4 means it didn't light.
Yep.
Here we go. How you get it done in a pinch right here.
All right, so we're gonna be cooking at 265 degrees. We're gonna cook them indirect on the top till they hit about 94 degrees. Pull them out, crank her up to 650, sear them, pull them back off, let the steaks rest, and then cook the shrimp. And this is gonna be good, dude. This is gonna be real good.
You can keep on videoing me here?
Yeah. What time does your mom drop you off in the morning?
6:30 on the dot. She makes me coffee too.
Your teachers know you're here?
They don't. They
know
don't.
you're cutting school?
What'd you say?
You're cutting Zoom school?
Yeah, I missed 2 calls this morning just to work here. But Chuck, he keeps on talking to me, so I can't get any work done.
Chuck and Cooper have some beef already.
Hey, you may have to scissor kick that old man. Oh, he's back here too. He's hiding up behind him.
Oh, is it break time? What time is it?
We're trying to figure out what we're gonna do for lunch.
Oh, so y'all in a meeting, we're interrupting?
Oh no. No, not at all. Anybody is invited to our meetings. They may not like them, may not approve of them, but they're sure a lot of fun.
Cleanliness is next to godliness, right?
No, man. Somebody's dirtying up my equipment. All right, so let them heat up. Cleaned up. Greased up. Wonder if somebody's gonna be in the comments be like, you know, you can't use duck fat. It has the lowest burning point of anything in the world. Jesus Christ. Gordon Ramsay says that.
By the way, you should know, Chuck pulled some of this earlier with his hand. He said, I cook my steaks, my New York strips.
Chuck cooks his steaks like this.
Uses his knees, his kneecap.
Man, this is an absolute great recipe. Make sure to go down below. It's in the descriptions. Print it off, try it at home. And hey, while you're down there, don't forget, we got an online giveaway we do every single month. Click on it, go over there, get signed up. You never know. You could win a cooker just like this. I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.